Hi guys, in this video I explain how can you solve the problems about dimensional formula. Okay, when find length or distance or displacement or height, width, radius, diameter, anything can measured by ruler or by meter, like length, remove this and put dimensional formula L capital. L capital the dimensional formula for any length. Okay, dimensional formula for mass M capital, dimensional formula for time T capital. This is fundamental dimensional formula, L, M and T. If you know the dimensional formula of area, L power 2, because the area equal length time width, length L and width L, يبقى L time L power 2. Volume, length time width time height, length L, width L, height L, so volume L power 3. And velocity or speed, V small, this is speed or velocity, have the same sample and same dimension, L T power negative 1. Acceleration, measure of velocity, L T power negative 2. Velocity L T power negative 1, acceleration negative 2. If you know this dimensional formula, you can solve any problem by easy method. For example number 1. Find the dimension formula of pressure. Pressure equal force divide area, and the force equal mass time acceleration. To find the dimension of force from this law of force, mass time acceleration. Mass M capital, acceleration L T power negative 2. So dimension of force M L T power negative 2. Pressure dimensions بتاعتها force اللي هي M L T power negative 2 divide area اللي هي L power 2. الباور 2 كانسل مع ال L، يبقى L يا شباب M ال L دي go up by negative sign for power. اوكي، L power 1 to go up تبقى L power negative 1 T power negative 2. This is dimensional formula for pressure. Okay. Another example. Please study these examples. Study well to know how can solve the problems of dimensional formula. These examples from school book. Verify the following relation by using dimensional formula. Kinetic energy equal half time mass time square of velocity. Square of velocity يعني V power 2. Verify the following relation by using dimensional formula. Verify, I mean, this equation is true or false. He given that dimensions of energy M L power 2 T power negative 2. If the dimensional formula of right hand side equals the dimensional formula of left hand side, so this equation is true. But if they are not equal, so this relation is wrong. Dimensional formula for left hand side M L power 2 T power negative 2 ده given يا ولاد، هو مديوني انا ماليش دعوه بيه. يبقى انا عليا اجيب الدايمنشنز للرايت هاند سايد. الهاف the number hasn't dimension, so الماس M capital and velocity LT power negative 1, but velocity has power 2, so L power 2, T power negative 2. So the left hand side equal right hand side, so this equation is true. Okay, another example from school books also. Okay, V equal pi RH. Verify this equation by dimensional formula. V volume, pi RH, pi number, R radius, H height of cylinder. Someone has suggested that cylinder, you know cylinder, radius of cylinder, radius of cylinder, and this is height of cylinder. Someone has suggested that the cylinder volume, this is volume, can be determined by this relation. Volume equal pi RH, R radius of the base and H height of the cylinder. Use dimensional formula to verify whether the relation is correct or not. Okay? Left hand side volume. The volume has dimension length time L power 3 because the volume equal length time width time height. يعني length time length time length يعني L power 3. Right hand side pi the number hasn't dimension. Radius يعني L, length يعني L. الهايت يا شباب كمان هو L، هو كمان length يعني L. يبقى L time L equal L power 2. L power 2 don't equal L power 3. So L power 2 don't equal L power 3, so this relation is wrong. The dimensional of both sides don't equal. So this relation is wrong. Aren't equal. Two sides aren't equal. The relation is wrong. Okay? Another example. V final equal V initial plus GT. I mean V final velocity, V initial velocity. Initial and final مش مهم بالنسبة لي دلوقتي، المهم عندي دي velocity ودي velocity plus G acceleration and T time. Okay? Right hand side or left hand side. تعالوا نشوف dimensions of left hand side. V final or V velocity. Velocity dimensions بتاعتها LT power negative 1. Okay يا شباب. But the dimensions of right hand side اللي هي equal velocity plus acceleration by time. Velocity LT power negative 1 plus acceleration LT power negative 2 and the time T. This dimension of velocity, dimension of acceleration, dimension of time. Okay? When multiply time, the power some added for each other. يعني sum negative 2 plus 1. T من غير power يعني T power 1 يبقى negative 2 plus 1 يبقى T negative ايه يا شباب؟ negative 1. يبقى LT power negative 1 plus LT نزلت LT power negative 1 و LT دي negative 2 plus 1 يعني negative 1 يبقى LT negative 1. LT power negative 1 plus LT power negative 1 equal LT power negative 1. Like x plus x equal 2x. But in dimension, it 2 number hasn't dimension formula, so we can remove 2. Okay? At this example, LT power negative 1 plus LT power negative 1 like x plus x equal x. LT power 2x هنا برضو LT power negative 1 plus LT power negative 1 equal 2 LT power negative 1. وال 2 دي number ملوش dimension فيعني مش مهم نكتبه خالص. يبقى لازم عشان اعمل 2 dimension plus بعض لازم يكونوا شبه بعض same dimension بس هو اللي انا اقدر اعمل له plus or minus. يبقى ما الاقي plus او minus sign يبقى لازم التو dimensions اللي موجودين حوالين البلس يكونوا زي بعض بالظبط عشان اقدر اطلع الريزلت واحده منهم اللي هي ال t power negative 1. So left hand side ال t power negative 1, right hand side ال t power negative 1. So it's two sides equal in dimension, so this relation is right. Okay, another example.